Ask me better yet, I wanna break up. Don't you ask me, but no motherfucking double standard acting. Fucking on another nigga, that's a negative alone. But you suck this dick, that's just nasty. Matter of fact, bitch, give me your phone.
No.
You fucking with Wayne?
No.
Bitch, give me your phone.
No, let me take this call real quick.
He on your fucking ringtone? Is that the shit that you do? Touching yourself looking at Kendrick videos. Up on the internet watching his interviews. I don't know what the fuck lately got into you. Tell me who love you, I bet I love harder. Forgot all the shit that I did for your daughter. The Pampers, the Pedialyte, and my mama daycare at the school. And she never did charge her. You scandalous as fuck and I hope you blow up. You know what, I get bucked, let me go get my gun. I got one in the chamber, I'm blending, no aiming. God damn it, you know that the damage is done. Bitch, I'm emotional cause I'm in stress. I'm not supposed to go through this, I guess. So in conclusion, since you like rappers that's killing that pussy, I'm killing myself.
Said, ooh.